Reese, tell me you know what time it is.
It's Christmas time!
Yeah, it's also time to get cooking. So, what's on the menu today?
Hit us with that drum roll.
Oh,
Today's test kitchen challenge is called Taste the Cake.
hold up. Taste the cake? That doesn't sound like a recipe.
That's because it's not a recipe. Get yourself ready for some good news.
Okay.
Instead of cooking various kinds of cakes today, our viewers have actually sent in their own personal cake creations for us to taste. Ta-da!
Well, this is gonna be interesting. I don't really know if I'm vibing with the idea of trying something from someone else's kitchen.
Oh, come on, Graham. Where's your Christmas spirit?
I'm all about people sending in their recipe suggestions, but their cakes? I mean, how clean are those cooks? Like, what did they use to wash their hands? Did they use soap and water? Did they use just water? Reese, what if they used olive juice?
Olive juice? Who even does that? Graham, I'm sure people are careful when it comes to cleanliness in the kitchen.
Well, do you think they're careful enough to clean their countertops before they start? What if they haven't cleaned their oven in years? What if there are gross little creepy crawlers all around their countertops and in their mixing bowls? What if I bite into a spider? A spider, Reese, a spider.
Dude, chill. I'm sure they clean their hands and their kitchens. Now, forget all of that craziness and let's see what kind of cake this viewer sent in.
Is that a red velvet cake?
You got it, Graham. Apparently, this viewer used an extra amount of red food coloring to make this cake the color of Santa's suit.
But did they use a hairnet? Not just one hairnet. One hairnet is never enough. They need to make sure they use 2 hairnets. I mean, I'm just trying to make sure there's no hair in there. Oh.
Come on, Graham. What are you so afraid of? I'm sure they keep their hair far away from the cake. Here, let's just take a bite.
No way.
Oh,
Nope.
Come on.
Mm-mm.
Come on,
No.
Graham.
Not going to.
Shoot, the train's pulling into the station.
No!
You're really gonna be like that. Okay. This is scrumptiously opposite.
Well, I'll just take your word for it. Okay, let's get this over with and see what kind of cake this next viewer sent in. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. It's a fruitcake.
Fruitcake? Man, this stuff always makes an appearance at Christmas.
Yeah, I can't even look at it.
I don't think I've even met anyone who actually eats this stuff, but that's about to change, right?
No, not for me. I don't think so. I mean, people re-gift this stuff for a reason. It lasts for like ever. I mean, who even knows how long this thing's been around? For all we know, this could have been around before cars were invented.
I don't know.
Oh.
You know, I don't even really know what's in fruitcake. I mean, it kind of looks like some cherries,
Oh.
pineapple, or maybe pickles. Are pickles a fruit?
See, now that is a real life problem for me. That fruit may have actually been fruit at one point or another, but that fruit is so old, I think it's older than fossilized dinosaur bones. Don't get me started with what could be growing on it.
Oh, come on, man. We owe it to our viewers. What are you so afraid of?
I'm terrified of foods when, 1, I don't have a clue how they're prepared, and 2, I don't know what could be in them. I mean, come on, Reese, pickles? You do what you want, Reese, but I'm done.
Oh, ginger snap.